Hello, everyone! Today, I'll be showcasing the top 5 new drones of 2024 based on their specifications. You'll find all the product buying links in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and hit the bell icon for notifications on my latest upload. Number 4. Sky 2 Plus. Introducing the Sky 2 Plus, the ultimate autonomous drone designed to elevate your aerial photography and videography. It features an array of 64K navigation cameras and unparalleled obstacle avoidance capabilities, utilizing AI algorithms to navigate complex environments effortlessly. Powered by a state-of-the-art NVIDIA Tegra X2 processor, the Sky 2 Plus delivers lightning-fast performance and real-time image processing, ensuring smooth and stable footage. The 4K HDR camera captures stunning visuals with exceptional clarity, color accuracy, and dynamic range. With versatile flight modes like follow, orbit, and drone, the Sky 2 Plus offers endless creative possibilities. The compact beacon controller provides precise manual control, giving you full creative freedom over your flights. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Classic. Meet the DJI Mavic 3 Classic, a pinnacle of advanced drone technology designed for professional aerial photography and videography. This remarkable drone combines cutting-edge features with ease of use, making it ideal for both experienced pilots and newcomers. The Mavic 3 Classic is equipped with a 4K camera featuring a state-of-the-art Hasselblad sensor, capturing stunningly clear and vibrant images. The advanced image stabilization system ensures smooth cinematic shots, eliminating shaky footage. With intelligent flight modes such as active track, point of interest, and waypoints, you can effortlessly capture dynamic shots from virtually any angle. The drone's powerful propulsion system and extended flight time allow for longer flights and broader exploration, unlocking breathtaking perspectives. Number 2. Autel Evo Max 4T. Introducing the Autel Evo Max 4T, a groundbreaking drone that pushes the boundaries of aerial photography and videography. Its sleek design and powerful performance make it a favorite among enthusiasts and professionals. The Evo Max 4T is equipped with a 4K Ultra HD camera, capturing every detail with crystal-clear precision. Its advanced obstacle avoidance system ensures safe and worry-free flights, while intelligent sensors detect and avoid potential obstacles. With an impressive flight time of up to 40 minutes, this drone allows for extended aerial adventures. The user-friendly interface and intuitive controls make it easy to navigate, even for beginners. The Evo Max 4T also features advanced flight modes, including GPS-assisted navigation, Follow Me mode, and waypoint planning. Number 1. DJI Inspire 3. Introducing the DJI Inspire 3, the ultimate aerial cinematography tool designed for professionals. With cutting-edge technology and unrivaled performance, the Inspire 3 is perfect for filmmakers, photographers, and enthusiasts. It features an advanced 6K camera capturing breathtakingly detailed footage with artistic precision. The state-of-the-art image stabilization system ensures smooth and steady shots, even in challenging environments. Built for durability, the Inspire 3's lightweight carbon fiber frame allows for agile maneuverability. With a flight time of up to 35 minutes, you can capture extended shooting sessions. Intelligent flight modes like Active Track and Follow Me provide automated tracking, allowing you to focus on your subject while the drone handles the rest. The Inspire 3 also includes advanced obstacle avoidance sensors, ensuring a safe and worry-free flight experience.